Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. Hey, we're about to see that Dogecoin could break out, guys. Get ready, buckle up, guys. We're going to talk about Web3. What the heck is Web3? Everybody's talking about it, and we're going to talk about, it looks like YouTube's aping into it. Coinbase is about to hire a whole ton of people. And what is Web3? So we're going to jump into that. A quick kind of overview, a quick Web3 primer so you guys all understand what's going on. Looks like, Dogecoin could be getting ready, gearing up to break out, guys. So we're going to jump into that and much more. We're going to talk about the Bitcoin price, the Ethereum price, and we're going to look at some on-chain data that shows that things are still looking pretty good, guys. We're seeing that the pre-markets are looking very, very good. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is just an OG in the house expressing his opinion, and this is absolutely only for educational purposes, because I'm not a licensed financial advisor. You guys knew that already, but I got to say that. If I don't say that, I'll get myself in trouble, guys. You know what I mean? So, hey, the man is listening and overhearing, so we got to do that, guys. So right now we're seeing that stocks making the biggest moves in the pre-market right now, and we're seeing that the Dow, the S&P, and the Nasdaq is all up. So that is good, even though we have these geopolitical tensions in Russia and Ukraine, and the craziness that's going on in Canada right now. We're seeing that the crypto markets are actually unfazed, as I put in. And in fact, when Canada did declare a state of emergency out there, we did see the BIDI went up about 4%. So that was kind of helpful in the house, I guess. So, what can I say? We're seeing that Bitcoin is up, Ethereum is up, Solana is up, the Dogecoin is up. So everything's looking pretty fantastic, pretty good in the house. We're seeing that the fear and greed index is unchanged from yesterday. So that is very, very good. And, that just goes to show that Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and all the crypto is pretty resilient in the house. So nothing really big and monstrous in terms of announcements today. February the 15th, we only got the producer price index. That's about it. And that's it. Nothing too big is happening. So from that perspective, Bloomberg analyst cites bullish implication for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and markets could see meteoric upsurge, guys. So this is just more and more evidence, more and more catalysts out there, that more and more of analysts out there, and this is Bloomberg, this is not some small fry, they're saying that, we could see a meteoric rise for Bitcoin and Ethereum. And, we got this whole Web 3.0 that's coming out, so this is pretty good. Bloomberg is bullish on Bitcoin and Ethereum. They're expecting $150,000 to $200,000 coming in the springtime, the summertime. So I think this summer is going to be huge in the house for crypto, guys. So if you guys are still in, stay in it to win it. And if you want to win it, you got to be in it, guys. So don't panic. Don't wet the bed. Don't run for the hills. And don't do anything except hold strong, guys. And if you do have some cash on the sidelines, you could dollar cost average and buy the dippy dip dips. Remember, this is not financial advice. Remember, cryptos are volatile, and not every strategy works for everybody, guys. So remember that. Do your own homework, guys, and never invest more than you could be willing to lose. So the proliferation of crypto dollars is an indication of increasing dominance of digital assets with bullish implications for the greenback Bitcoin and Ethereum. So we're seeing the use of stablecoins. A lot of stablecoins are backed on the ERC-20, and that is Ethereum, guys. So we're seeing that Ethereum is definitely leading the pack in terms of utility and adaptability overall. And we got Ethereum 2.0 coming out fairly shortly, guys. So that is going to be a huge impact on the price. We got the Dogecoin and Ethereum bridge as well that could be coming out at the beginning of Q2. It looks like it now. And, we're seeing a lot of positive things driving Bitcoin, driving everything forward, guys. So that is huge news in-house. Looks like Coinbase to hire 2,000 employees in 2022, citing enormous Web3 opportunities, guys. So, hey, that's cool beans. We got also YouTube in the house. Looks like they're hiring for a director lead for Web 3.0 too. So, this YouTube kicked off the hiring process for a director of Web3 product management, setting out to stall for a push into the metaverse. The job advert is looking for someone to define and communicate executive vision and strategy for the roadmap of Web 3.0. So it looks like the Tubin house could be aping into metaverse and crypto as well. Oh, yeah. So I know a lot of you are wondering, what the heck is Web 3.0? So let's jump into it, guys. Let's get it. This is a Web 3.0 primer. So Web 3.0 represents the next generation, next iteration, or phase of the evolution of web. Internet, and potentially could be disruptive and represent a big paradigm shift. We had Web 1.0 when it first came out. Then we, moved to Web 2.0. That's when you have HTTPS, right? And Web 3 is built upon the core concepts of decentralization, openness, and greater user utility. So what that means is decentralization. No permission is needed from a centralized authority to post anything on the web. There is no central controlling node and no single point of failure and no kill switch. Like for example, Amazon Web Services. A lot of Fortune 500 companies, they're actually running a lot of their servers on Amazon Web Services. And, if Amazon decides to pull the plug, you're out of there. So that is very good because Amazon Web Services does control a lot of the content right now. So this implies freedom from the indiscriminate censorship and surveillance. So bottom-up design, instead of code being written and controlled by a small group of experts, it was developed in full view of everybody, encouraging maximum participation and experimentation. So basically Web 3.0 basically takes the power of the web from a few and it gives it to the many, and basically it's not centralized, so it's going to be completely decentralized, and that means that you and I, Geopolitical, will control the web, and it won't be controlled by people like Amazon Web Services. So this is cool, guys. Absolutely cool beans in the house. Some other stuff that's coming in right now, we got Hungary in the house. They're hungry to be a Debbie Downer, and they want to just crack the whip on crypto. And that's their number one priority. It looks like they want to ban crypto across the board. And their first foray of the banning in the house is they want to basically get rid of all the miners out there. It's a huge hot topic, and they just want to get them out of there, guys. And it looks like they want to ban crypto overall. So this could be a crypto wasteland out there. So Hungary, if you're listening, get out of there. Get out of there. So Fundstrat Tom Lee explains how Bitcoin could hit $200,000 this year. So Bitcoin's path toward 200K. The Wall Street strategist Tom Lee. So we got Tom Lee in the house. We got Morgan Stanley. We got Bloomberg. Everybody's saying the same thing, guys. The Wall Street analyst Tom Lee, known for his bullish Bitcoin predictions. 5 years ago, his company Fundstrat published its first report on Bitcoin, envisioning that asset would be worth between $15,000 and $50,000 by 2022, and they nailed it, guys. They absolutely nailed it. However, not all his forecasts came true. Last year, he said 100,000 into the year end is pretty reasonable. Bitcoin finished around about 46,000. So that was really disappointing. I know it was disappointing. We all lived through that disappointment, but he's saying that we could be seeing that his most recent interview on CNBC, Lee outlined an even more optimistic future for leading digital assets. He argued that interest rates would cause bond owners to lose money in the futures because right now bonds, you're not getting nothing on that. So if you've got bonds, you're not making any money, guys. As such, many American investors will allocate their capital into alternative assets such as cryptocurrency and could fuel Bitcoin's price to $200,000. So these rate hikes that are going to be coming down the pipeline pretty soon are actually going to be pretty bullish for crypto, for Bitcoin and Dogecoin, guys. So I'm so bullish right now. Let's jump into Dogecoin right now. Let me give this a minty ready fresh in the house. So you guys should be getting ready because the Dogecoin is about to break out, guys. It's absolutely about to break out. So Dogecoin is still at 15 cents, up about 2% right now. 52 in the money, 44% out, and we got a correlation still at 77. So I'm pretty bullish for Bitcoin. How about for Dogecoin and Bitcoin? What about you guys, and gals? We're seeing that some of the key metrics right now for social engagement is slightly down right now, so that's not looking good. What's going on? Shared links are down, shared links are up, and things are looking okay for Dogecoin, but the social sentiment has gone down. A lot of people are talking about Shiba Inu right now. The number of Shiba Inu holders has just hit a record, guys, so that is pretty bullish in the house for Shiba Inu. So that's having some social sentiment impact on the Doge, but I would not give up on the Doge. Doge is still looking pretty good. And if you look at the total hash rate for Dogecoin, it's reaching all-time highs at 583.93 terahashes. So that means that the Dogecoin network is still healthy, and we're still climbing to the moon, guys. So let's take a look at the Dogecoin price right now. This is on the daily chart, the Binance daily chart. So we're seeing that Dogecoin is just gingerly below 15 cents. My cup of handle is still in play. My zigzag pattern and the Ichimoku lines are still looking pretty positive. And if we can break past the Ichimoku lines, which are right here, this will have a full bull upside to 20 cents, guys. So I really think that we're going to hit 20 cents for Dogecoin pretty soon. I think we're gearing up for a huge breakout. So get ready, guys. Breakout is incoming for the Dozier Wozier, guys. You know it. I know it. Smash the likes and subscribe, guys. Get it right now. So some other bullish news coming in for Bitcoin. The number of addresses holding 0, 1 to 1 Bitcoin reached an all-time high yesterday of 2,504,000 addresses are now holding between the range of 760.7K in total, with an aggregate value of 20.3 billion. So the number of addresses from 0.1 to 1 Bitcoin has just reached an all-time high, guys. And this just means less and less supply on exchanges, and this can only mean one thing: that boom chakalaka, Bitcoin is going to go to the moon, guys. I know it, you know it. So spread the good word, guys. Breaking news: Belarus president signs a decree to support the free circulation of cryptocurrencies. So it looks like Belarus could be making crypto legal, and maybe we could even see Bitcoin's legal tender over there. So that would be very bullish news for the whole space in the house. Oops, Bitcoin gains 6% as Canadian government goes after the Freedom Convoy and crypto donors, guys. So wowie, woo, woo, woo. So this is here he is. This is the big. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to say anything nasty about this guy, but just dumb get out of town, get out of town there. So Bitcoin miners rejoice. The Ministry of Economic Development for Russia is reportedly introducing lower energy rates for miners in areas with surplus energy. So that's pretty good for the miners over there. So it looks like Russia wants to attract a lot of Bitcoin miners to enter into the space. They're also saying they're recognizing crypto as legal currency out there. So that's pretty good. We're going to see some crypto regulation, absolutely, from Russia, but that is pretty good. This is unlike India that, once again has started to ban crypto again. So, what can we say? India's like flippy-floppy. Every day is something new with India. Let's take a look at the Shiba Inu in the house, and it looks like Shiba Inu is still looking pretty good. Now, I drew this line earlier, and it looks like Shiba Inu is following my upward trending line, and we got a 4-wave count, 1, 2, 3, 4 up wave candle count, and it's going in the right direction right now. Shiba Inu is at 31.22, and we got some overhead resistance around about 35 in the house, guys. So things are looking pretty good. Let's jump into the bitty. So my Bitcoin is at 44,202. Fantastic. We're just gingerly shy of my yellow line, which is the yellow brick road to 45K. We need to get past that to blast off, and we're well above my yellow horizontal support line, and that's been going for some time now, and we can see that all the way back to December 2021 till now. That has been a huge support line, and in some cases it was a resistance here and here from May to May to July, when we had that Ben and Tweed Debbie Downer crash, when Bitcoin was like, it hit like 65 and went ka-chunk all the way down, and it hit a low of 28,000. So guys and gals, remember in May we did go all the way down to 28,000 in the house, but we came all the way back up again to this point where we hit 69,000. So don't discount Bitcoin. Things can actually happen. Things can actually move for the biddy in the house. So if we take a look at our inverse head and shoulders, looks like we're breaking out exactly as predicted. Exactly. The OG call it, guys. I call it right there. It's right in front of your eyes, guys. Don't discount the Doge. Don't discount Bitcoin. We're going to go to the moon, guys. We're seeing that the parallel channel on the daily for Bitcoin is still looking pretty positive, and things are looking very, very bullish overall, guys. Let's take a look at the leverage apes in the house, guys. So right now we're seeing that the leverage apes are the leverage apes, about 124.88 million have been wrecked right now, and we're seeing that in the last 4 hours a majority have been shorts, guys, and in the last 24 hours 74% of all of the wreckage out there is to the shorts. So that could put some short squeeze action on the biddy, and that could drive biddy above 45,000. If we can get ourselves back up above 46,200 for biddy, that's going to be hugely bullish in the house, guys. You know it, I know it. Let's get it. Let's jump into the Ethereum price right now real fast. Ethereum is also on fire right now. Ethereum is broken out from my descending triangle exactly as predicted. We are above 3,000. We're at 3,101, and our next target, guys and gals, is going to be $35,000 in the house, guys. Let's get it right now, guys. I'm feeling so excited, so bullish about the altcoins right now. We're also seeing that Phantom right now is looking pretty good at $2.05 in the house. we bounced off this huge support here only like a day ago, 24 hours ago at 191, and we're just going uppity up. And our next resistance line is about $2.38. We're gonna get there, guys. So if you're holding Phantom, guys, keep holding Phantom, keep strong. And if you look at the total locked TVL right now, we're seeing that Phantom right now is a number 5 coin with 8.46 billion locked in total value right now, on-chain value. So that's looking pretty good. We got Terra as number 2. Ethereum is number 1, the King Daddy. BSC number 3. Avalanche number 4. And Phantom. Then we got Solana, Polkadot, and, Solana, then Polygon. And then we got Polkadot down here. So, guys, if you guys are wondering, like, where should you be putting your money? It's not financial advice. All these layer 1 and layer 2s have unprecedented opportunity to growth opportunities, guys. So, I'm invested in here. The OGs got invested here. OGs got here. OGs got here. OGs got here. Here. Tron, I don't know anything about Tron. Kronos, no. Osmosis, no. Polkadot, yes. Harmony, yes. So, I'm in all of these, guys. So this is looking pretty huge beans in the house, guys. So this is where you want to be taking a look. This is DeFi Llama in case you're wondering what it is. So you can check the total TVL locked. And it's looking pretty good overall, guys. I love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys. So let's jump into Solana. Solana in the house right now. So Solana in the house is also making some moves, guys. And we've got some slight resistance at 103. I think we're going to get blow past there pretty soon. So Solana is looking pretty good and getting ready to take off, guys. So with that being said, guys, let's jump into the market cap overall right now. Let me just give this a minty refresh. Make sure you got all the correct data, guys, out there. It's looking good. Are you guys happy out there? You should be happy because markets are looking pretty good. We're seeing that the market cap is 2.02 trillion. The volumes are picking up 53.16 billion. Bitcoin dollars is a little bit too high, but we're still seeing that we're seeing a lot of green everywhere, guys and gals in the house. So things are looking very peachy keen. Bitcoin is over 44,000. We're seeing green all on the monthly, on the weekly, on the daily. So it's looking pretty good. We're seeing that Ethereum is up 5.62% at 3,100. We're seeing BNB is up as well, 6% over 428. This is looking pretty good. ADA is up 3%. Solana is up 6%. Luna is up almost 6%. Avalanche is up almost 8%. DOT is up almost 5.5%. Doge at 1.85%. And the Shiba Inu is up as well. And Matic is up 8%. So things are looking pretty good, guys, overall. Let's see what happens when the markets open. I think we're going to see some huge more green happening. And hopefully we don't get to any kind of Debbie Downer Fed news in the house, because that would put the kibosh and everything, guys. So with that being said, guys, go and follow me on my Twitter. Do it right now, guys. We got 4,024 followers. Go down there. Follow. Don't forget to go down there. Smash the like, subscribe. Don't forget to give super chats. And don't forget to comment. And remember, none of this is financial advice, guys. Here's a big disclosure. This is not financial advice, guys. Absolutely not financial advice. Go and check to become a Patreon, buy the channel coffee. Check out the NFT collection, guys. Go do it right now. We got a whole bunch of NFTs, guys. What are you waiting for? Jump in over to the NFT collection. This is digital something. The link is in the video description below. So go check out all of this NFT collection. You want to get it. This is some cool stuff. Got a beating heart out there. Heart on fire. We got Digital David. We got the Sushi Man right here. I love the Sushi Man. We got the calling. We got the Drain. We got the Globe, guys. So go check out the NFT collection. Going over to the wife's channel. Check. You're going to love it. I love it. So go and get it right now, guys. So it's a great channel, guys. Lots of videos out there. So go and get it. And don't forget to check out the merch, guys. Go get the merch mug up. You can get the backpack, get the pillow willow. And don't forget to check out all of the other merch. We got t-shirts, hoodies, aprons, all sorts of. We've got kids go get the cap, guys. Get the cap. You want the cap. Get the cap, guys. Get the cap. So I just want to say God bless each and every one of you. Let's take a look at the heat map. Things are still looking pretty good. I want to say God bless you. It's been fun. It's a great time. So Dogecoin is going to break out, guys. Get ready. It's going to be huge in the house, guys. So get ready. It's absolutely a winning time, a great time. God bless you. To be alive. This is Ric Flair of Crypto, Ice Baby of Crypto, saying I'll see you in the next one tomorrow. Woo-hoo-hoo! I love it.